Welcome. On sale today, Hyundai Santa Fe 2011. The manual with the leather, really nice looking car in the colour scheme with the park sensors and tow pack. Drives very well indeed with a detachable tow kit. One of our best sellers in the four-wheel drives, these, because they are exceptional value for money. Nice looking colour scheme with the roof rails. Can have a look inside. On the inside we've got the electric window and mirror pack with the electric seat, leather, which is the heated seat pack, with the 6-speed box, with the climate control, with the cruise control, with the Bluetooth. 87,900 on the mileage, spare key, service history, condition of the roof lining and seats, no rips, no tears, just a nice presented 4x4. Plenty of stow area and cup holders. Very easy sell these for the caravan towing fraternity. That's on sale today. Give us a ring, 01543 523 007. It's all HPI clear, as all our vehicles are. We've got our showroom on the main A5 in Cannock, glorious Staffordshire. That's 2 minutes from junction 11 and 12 of the M6, 30 seconds off the toll road, and Cannock or Penkridge train stations if you need collecting from there. Birmingham Airport if you're coming further afield. We can take part exchange. We're FCA regulated, so we can look at finance for you based on your credit criteria. We can do UK delivery. We drive these to your doorstep. Simply get in touch. We'll see what we can put together for you. It's very informal. Come and have a look at this vehicle at your own leisure. No pressure. If you want to go onto our website, scsws11.co.uk, on there it links through to our Facebook page. We've got over 4,200 followers on there. Plenty of reviews and feedback, which is verified through the Car Dealer Reviews. Very proud of that. Have a look at that, see what we're all about from our previous customers. Hopefully we'll speak to you soon.